The material matters in food handling, processing, storage, and food display. Customers choose MFG tray products because they possess superior physical properties over thermoplastic products such as high and low temperature rating, weight capacity, and chemical resistance. Our composite food service containers don't warp or sag like plastic, and they don't rust or bend like metal. At MFG Tray, we like to encourage our customers to consider exceptionally durable composite products for their food service applications. The challenges within the food service industry are unique. Kitchen temperatures, freezing cold, constant use, and never-ending sanitation are tough on handling products. MFG Tray composite products deliver proven performance in many food service applications. We offer an array of products specifically designed for food storage, preparation, and merchandising, including dough boxes, bagel boards, pan extenders, food storage and prep bins, non-slip serving trays, and cafeteria and display trays. MFG Tray's food service products are available in several colors and offer additional features, including lids and dolly carts. Most MFG Tray containers are safe for food service, meeting NSF Standard No. 2 and US FDA regulations. The smooth, non-porous surface of MFG products facilitates easy product handling and resist odors, stains, and mildew. They're not harmed by detergents and are easily cleaned in any standard or commercial washer. They can also handle standard baking temperatures or be frozen or refrigerated. Thanks to their composite design, MFG Tray food service products bring strength along with structurally strong stacking. MFG Tray manufactures its own sheet molding compound formulated for quality assurance for our food service products. With the multi-directional fibers that are in our parts, it increases the tensile strength of the part and makes it more rigid than a thermoplastic would be. Our composites are routinely tested in our lab to ensure strength and other performance properties.
Our materials are proven to withstand so much more than other materials that are out there. I have even parts at home. My grandmother worked here. My mother worked here. I have parts at home probably from the early 70s that are just as strong today as they were then. The strength of our materials and the components in them are unbeatable. The appearance is very critical. We do have specific jobs that we do measurements. We have a bagel board that we check the edge crown, and we use our ferro arm to do that. We have a hot-cold tray that we also have to check the center crown on because it fits in racking systems, and if they are out of those tolerances, then they won't fit for the customers. We want our customers to be confident that the product they're putting their own product on is something that they can be proud of, that they know their product is going to look good on our product.
MFG Tray's combination of performance, durability, and flexibility of composites really makes the difference in the food service industry. To find out about all of our food handling, processing, storage, and food display solutions, check out our website, mfgtray.com, or find us on Facebook.